in today's video, I'm going to be filming a thick slime tutorial for one of the most glossy thick slimes around. The best part about this is that you only need a few ingredients, and this is 1 cup of white PVA glue, about a teaspoon of clear glue, a ton of lotion to soften it up, I probably put about 23 pumps, and then glycerin. And glycerin is the main ingredient for this. You really don't need very much. I added about 2 drops worth. This has a really weird effect because it melts the mixture down a lot, so it feels a lot more flimsy than your usual slime mixtures. But then once you've activated it, it makes it become a lot more thick. You're going to need a lot of activator for this, and I really recommend going in with your hands early because I find the slime looks really sticky inside when it's really pulling away from the bowl. So the more you play with it, the better. And then I just added all my small batches into one to make it really nice. And to get the glossiest slime like this, you need to leave it for 2 days, and then it'll become super glossy and be really stretchy and fun to play with. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week.